Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crochet Art. In this video I will show you how to make a magic ring with 5 different ways. First method to make a magic ring. Hold the yarn tail with ring, finger, and thumb. Wrap the yarn over to fingers, making an X, and hold the tail and working yarn with thumb and ring finger. Pass the hook through the back of the fingers, under the first loop and grab the second loop by the hook and pull it out while passing under the first loop. Make a chain. It will become a long circle, or a ring. You make any stitch in this circle. Make as many stitches as you want in this circle and tighten it at the end. Second method to make a circle or ring. Make a knot. If you are beginner, you can watch full tutorial videos on crochet knot, foundation chains and basic crochet stitches on my YouTube channel page. Make a slip stitch in the first chain. It will become a circle. Make as many stitches in this circle as you want. While working in this circle, you have to make a stitch by tucking the tail of the yarn inside the stitch. When you finish your work, just pull the tail to close the circle hole. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Third method to make a magic circle. Make the magic circle by following the video. Fourth method to make a magic ring. Fifth method to make a magic ring. If you like my videos, then share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel.
Have a nice day. Thanks for watching the video.